Borsing Rongphar to be conferred with International Anti-Corruption Award 2022 at Guwahati. Boat racing competition was organized at Karbi Langpi River, Wathalangso on 6 December. Third late Longsing Tiso and late Basapi Inglengpi Memorial Football World Cup successfully concluded on 4 December. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time with Julie BP. Now the news in details. Borsing Rongphar, president of the Press Club, to be conferred with the International Anti-Corruption Award 2022 today at Sri Mantasankaradeva Kalakshetra, Panjabari, Guwahati. The International Anti-Corruption Award 2022 would be conferred to the awardees through the hands of Mrinalini Devi, mother of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, Chief Minister of Assam, and also the Vice President of Assam Saitya Sabha on the occasion of International Anti-Corruption Day on 8th and 9th of December. The event was initiated by Anti-Corruption Youth Power Assam. A total of 7 awardees were selected from different districts of Assam and 20 awardees were selected from across the nation. Among the selected 7 awardees from the state of Assam, Borsing Rongphar, president of Diphu Press Club, was also nominated from Karbi Anglong district and brought laurel to the district and the state. It was nominated on the basis of his honesty, dedication and determination towards his profession. News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live. Under the initiative of Mukrang Self-Help Group, boat racing competition was organized at Karbi Langpi River, Wathalangso, under Duaramla constituency on 6th of December. The opening ceremony was chaired by Longsing Rongpi, president of Mukrang Self-Help Group, and around 11 a.m. Prabhat Chandra Tharu, EM of KAEC, inaugurated the competition. As many as 11 clubs participated at the competition. The winners were awarded with a cash prize of Rs 20,000, Rs 15,000 and Rs 10,000 to first, second and third position respectively. Pangching Club secured first position, followed by Tharve Abi Club in second position and Sarsing Habe Club Hongkram in third position. Prabhat Chandra Tharu, EMKAEC, while speaking to us, spoke about the importance of boating for the people living in coastal areas of the river. Tharu also praised the advisor, organizers and expressed his gratitude to all the members who were actively working tirelessly since the beginning until the end of the day, announced the second edition of the competition for the following year. Prabhat Chandra Tharu, EMKAEC, attended as the chief guest of the event. Radhib Ronghang, President BJP WKADC, Nayan Basumatari, General Secretary BJP WKADC, Gojan Kro, VDC Chairman Duar Amla, and several dignitaries of the region attended the event.
Participant paong ji pan samil tumborina baso alambang nilta non NGO tumhan sami alam chak chipilo moi France tamin cherabdun pu alambang nilhin betadulo.
Pratap Kathar's report from Wathalangso for Karbi Anglong Live. To encourage the youth and uplift the sporting culture under the administrative control of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, organizers ranging from Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to grassroots level had been organizing several competitions throughout the year at various locations. Likewise, on 4th of December, third edition of late Longsing Tiso and late Basapi Inglengpi Memorial Football World Cup concluded successfully at Serdihun Playground under Duaramla constituency. The tournament was initiated by Wathalangso Sports Association. The final match of the tournament was played between R2 Kekang 4H FC and Wathalangso Football Academy. Wathalangso Football Academy scored 4 goals till full time, while R2 Kekang 4H FC scored 1 goal in defense. The final score of the match was 4-1. Wathalangso Football Academy won the title of third late Longsing Tiso and late Basapi Inglengpi Memorial Football Gold Cup. The best player of the match was awarded to William Kathar, best goalkeeper to Gaurav Kakoti, youngest player of the tournament was awarded to Jameson Teron, and the highest goal scorer of the tournament awards were distributed during the closing ceremony. Robinson Teron, President of Wathalangso Sports Association, Amar Singh Hanse, Vice President of Wathalangso Sports Association, Chesong Rongpar, Referee in charge of Wathalangso Sports Association, and Leela Vidi Never, Principal of Nongbe School, sponsored the football tournament. Robinson Teron, President of Wathalangso Sports Association, attended as the chief guest of the event. Amar Singh Hanse, Vice President of Wathalangso Sports Association, Lipson Bay, ex-President of Wathalangso Sports Association, Prem Bahadur Chetri, Assistant BSA Wathalangso BOD member, Elvin Crow, and several dignitaries of the region attended as the guests of the event.
Lakadokove sports lovers atum phanda nilitum je awareness people no lapen ke wangi lang tan nilitum ako tournament bipon thuji.
Pratap Kathar's report from Wathalangso for Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.